In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Zoom tools from disappearing. If you've ever been mid-meeting and the toolbar quietly fades away right when you need to mute, unmute, or find the chat, this will fix it. The trick is to use an in-meeting option that pins the controls so they stay visible, and to keep a little bit of mouse movement going so Zoom doesn't think you've gone idle. Start by joining a Zoom meeting. Any meeting will do, even a quick test meeting, because this option lives inside the meeting window itself. Once you're in, move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do, the meeting toolbar should slide back into view with buttons like Mute, Start Video, Participants, and Share. If someone is sharing their screen, you may see a compact toolbar near the top of the window. That's normal, and you can still follow along. Next, look for either the View Options menu or the More button with 3 dots. You'll typically see View Options when someone else is sharing their screen. Otherwise, you'll see the 3-dot More button on the toolbar. Click whichever one you have access to in your current view. From that menu, choose Show Meeting Controls. This tells Zoom to keep the toolbar visible rather than hiding it after a few seconds. Think of it as pinning your controls so they're exactly where you expect them to be whenever you need them. If the menu closes and you don't immediately notice a change, don't worry. Just glide your cursor over the meeting window again and you should see the controls remain on screen. Now, there's one more simple habit that helps. Keep your mouse active to prevent auto-hide. Even with show meeting controls on, some layouts or share scenarios may dim or tuck parts of the interface if there's no activity. A tiny nudge of your mouse or a brief tap on your trackpad every so often is enough to keep everything awake. No need for big movements, just a light wiggle does the job without distracting you or others. If you ever find the controls have vanished again, repeat the same process. Bring your mouse to the bottom, open View Options or More, and select Show Meeting Controls. It only takes a moment and ensures your mute, video, and other tools stay at your fingertips for the rest of the session. That's it. Join your meeting, reveal the toolbar, select Show Meeting Controls, and keep a gentle mouse nudge going. Your Zoom tools will stop disappearing right when you need them most.